is Charlinda, and I'm here at the Medgar Evers Library, which is part of the Jackson Hinds Library System. And today I'm going to be making a rubber band mason jar craft. Now with this craft, you don't have to just have a mason jar. You can use any type of vase to do this craft. And today I'm gonna use a mason jar, and I'm also going to use this little fishbowl vase here. Okay, and you also, all you need is just the rubber bands, a vase or a mason jar, and I'm going to use some spray paint with this today. So first of all, what I have done here, I did go ahead and put rubber bands on my jars, on my jar and my vase. I think we're going to add another rubber band to my mason jar. Now with this craft, you can also use, if you don't have the rubber bands, you can use like masking tape or painter's tape to get the look that you're looking for. The masking tape will give it a wider style. The lines will be wider, and it's really cute as well. So I did go ahead, like I said, and put the rubber bands on here. You can do any design you like, and I think this will be a really fun craft to do with your family over the holidays. It's real easy. And so what we're going to do, after you get your rubber bands or your masking tape on your vase or your jar, we're going to go ahead and spray paint it. And then once we get it spray painted, we're going to cover it real well with the paint, and we're going to let it dry. But we just want to make sure that it's completely covered. Completely covered really well. It's gonna be really pretty. Really, I love this color. Okay. But once you get it covered, like I said, we're gonna let it dry because with the spray paint it takes a couple of hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little. So once it dries, I'm gonna be back to let you see the final results. Okay guys, I'm back. Our mason jar is dry and our vase is dry. So what we have to do now, we're gonna get some scissors and we're gonna cut the rubber bands off, and we're gonna see what kind of creation we came up with. Okay, all right. So far, so good. Now you're gonna have a little extra. You can just wipe that off. Sometimes a little extra, and I see that I gotten a little paint on the inside of my jar, but it's okay. Alright, cut this off. Alright, it came out pretty good, guys. Okay, let's check this one out, see what it looks like. Use it as a candle holder. It would be really pretty. But this is just something fun you can do. Like I said, with your family, with the holidays coming up. And also when you're doing the spray, when you put in the spray paint on, make sure to coat it really well. Don't overcoat it. Okay. But this is our final product. You just have to get the extra little paint that's on there. You can just scrape it off. Just wipe it off. And this is our final product for today. All right. Well, I thank you guys so much for watching me, and enjoy your day, and I'll see you on next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.